comparing units. Example 1. A fuel tank in a Plymouth vehicle is 13.5 gallons. A fuel tank in a Nissan is 48.5 liters. Convert 13.5 gallons to liters in order to compare the size of both tanks. Round your answer to the nearest hundredths. So we have our 13.5 gallons, and we need to convert it to liters. And so we're going to use this conversion. So we have 13.5 gallons, and we need to get rid of the gallons on the top. So we're going to put the 1 gallon on the bottom and then the 3.79 liters on the top. So that means we just need to multiply this 13.5 times 3.79. So we get our calculators out and we go 13.5 times 3.79, and we're left with 51.17. And this is in liters. So we just put L for liters. And then this Nissan is 48.5. So the Nissan is the smaller tank between the two. Now let's do another example. Example 2. A reserve capacity for a certain battery is 140 minutes. How many miles can the vehicle travel if going 40 miles per hour? And then how many miles can it go if it goes 75 miles per hour? So for this problem, we're going to convert both the 40 miles and the 75 miles into just miles. And so how we do this is this is miles per hour and we have minutes. So we need to convert 40 miles per hour just to miles. And so how we do it is we use this 140 minutes. So how we do this is we have 40 miles per hour, and we need it to go into minutes. So we use 1 hour into 60 minutes. And then we know we have 140 minutes of time. So all we do is then do 140 minutes, and then this gets rid of all our time, and we're left with just miles. And this will give us the amount of miles a car can travel, going 40 miles per hour. So what we do is we multiply all the top numbers together, and then we multiply the bottom together, which is just 60. So we'll just divide by 60 in the end. So we get 40 times 140 over 60. So let's get our calculators out. So we have 40 times 140, and we're left with 5,600. Then we divide by 60, and we get 93.33. So we get 93.33 miles, going 40 miles per hour. Next, we need to do the same exact thing, but with 75 miles per hour. So we have 70 miles per hour. Then we're going to multiply it by 1 hour over 60 minutes. This gets rid of the hours. Then we multiply it by 140 minutes. This gets rid of minutes, and we're left with just miles, which is exactly what we want. So this then becomes 75 times 1 times 140 over 60. So let's get our calculators out. So we have 75 times 140 and times 1, which gets us to 10,500 over 60. So then we'll just divide by 60, and we get 100. We'll write it right here, 175 miles. So you can see how many miles you can get by going different speeds this way.